Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Schwab Intelligent Portfolios secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your Schwab account credentials. Type your username in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy. If your information is correct, click the Login button. Wait for the system to process your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification prompt. Follow the instructions to complete the two-factor authentication. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be taken to your Schwab Intelligent Portfolios dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check your username and password for errors. If you still cannot log in, consider resetting your password or contacting Schwab support for assistance. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. You are now ready to manage your investments with Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.